Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we tackle a hot topic: Amazon dropshipping versus eBay dropshipping. Which is better? So if you're a beginner dropshipper or someone looking to expand their horizons, this video is perfect for you. When it comes to dropshipping, both eBay and Amazon offer unique opportunities and considerations for beginners. Here's a breakdown of the key differences between eBay dropshipping and Amazon dropshipping. Also stay until the end to get an overview of the costs associated with using Amazon and eBay as a dropshipper who is just getting started. So let's first jump into eBay dropshipping and go over some of the pros. Pro number one, there is a wide product variety. eBay allows sellers to offer a diverse range of products from multiple sources, giving beginners more flexibility in finding profitable niches. Pro 2 is lower competition. With fewer professional sellers, eBay may present a less crowded marketplace, making it easier for newcomers to establish their presence. Pro number 3 is direct communication. So eBay facilitates direct communication between buyers and sellers, allowing for personalized customer interactions and potential brand building opportunities. Selling model. eBay operates on an auction-styled or fixed price listing model. So sellers can choose to list items for auction where buyers place bids, or they can set a fixed price for their products. Also, buyers can negotiate with sellers by sending offers, discount price on his listings, which increase engagement between sellers and buyers. Now it's time to go over some eBay dropshipping cons. We have first, limited control. eBay's policies and regulations can be strict, limiting certain aspects of your business, such as branding and customer experience. Lower trust level. eBay's reputation has been affected by occasional cases of counterfeit products or unreliable sellers, which might make customers more skeptical of dropshipped items. Now let's jump over to Amazon, but first, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Amazon Dropshipping Pros. Trust and reputation. Amazon has built a strong reputation for reliability and customer satisfaction, providing a platform for dropshippers to leverage. Prime membership benefits. By utilizing Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon program, sellers can tap into the vast customer base of Prime members and offer fast shipping options. Branding opportunities. With Amazon's brand registry program, dropshippers can protect their brand and enhance their credibility through product listing optimizations. Now, the selling model. Amazon primarily operates on a fixed price model. Sellers set a specific price for their products and customers can purchase them directly. Also, sellers can add the pricing rule option to their listings, which increases or decreases your price relevant to other sellers. Now, to keep a level playing field, we have to have some cons for Amazon as well. So some cons include high competition. Amazon is a highly competitive marketplace, often dominated by experienced sellers and established brands, making it more challenging for beginners to stand out. So Amazon does have some strict policies. Amazon enforces strict policies and regulations, which can result in more product listing requirements and potential account suspension if not handled properly. Cost considerations are crucial for beginner dropshippers. Here's an overview of the costs associated with using Amazon and eBay as a dropshipper who is just getting started. So Amazon dropshipping cost. As an Amazon dropshipper, you can choose between two main options. Individual seller, and this plan charges a fee of 99 cents per sold item, making it suitable for those with a limited number of monthly sales. And then you have the professional seller, which is priced at $39.99 per month. And this plan is more suitable for high volume sellers looking to maximize their profits. It can also offer additional features like bulk listing and inventory management. Now, eBay dropshipping costs. eBay offers a variety of selling plans. We have the basic plan, which is ideal for beginners. It allows up to 200 listings for free per month. Additional listing cost is 35 cents each. And then you have the store subscriptions, and these range from $7.95 to $299.95 per month, depending on the subscription level. Higher subscription offers benefits like more listings, discounted fees, and advanced selling tools. It's essential to carefully evaluate your expected sales volume and budget to determine which pricing option aligns best with your dropshipping business on each platform. Remember, choosing between eBay and Amazon dropshipping ultimately depends on your preferences, niche, budget, and long-term business goals. It's important to carefully evaluate the pros and cons before deciding which platform aligns best with your dropshipping venture. Whichever path you choose, remember that your journey as an entrepreneur is all about growth, adapting to your environment, and seizing the opportunities that come your way. So you choose which is better. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, keep hustling and happy dropshipping.